Hey guys, it's Becca, and I am stopping in the middle of our demolition weekend in my sewing room to actually open a box. I have the Precuts Quilt box that I'm going to open for you in just a minute. But first, I want to let you know at some point in the near future, I'm hoping to post some videos just kind of capturing the demolition and the remodeling that we've been doing with my sewing room. This is the product of some of that work behind me, but the rest of my room is still completely in shambles. In fact, if you look over here, I've got some fun cords and stuff that I still have to put away. Okay, enough about tearing down walls. Let's open the box. So here's the box. I think I did get the classic box, whichever one was $55. I can't remember. And I remember signing up for this because I thought I saw somewhere that Lori Holt was going to be the designer for this month's box. So I'm really excited to see what's in there. I hear something rattling, so we'll see what happens. This is awesome. Okay, this box is kind of fun. Of course, it's got the logo everywhere and the website. But underneath the lid, it says, warning, side effects. Open this box. May give you creativity attack. There's the inside of the box. And I'm super excited because I think I know what this is. And I almost bought it for myself. You can see it through the tissue paper. Before we get to the big item, which I think you already saw, let's open some of the smaller stuff first. Oh, so excited. Okay, because this is a new box and the price point is kind of high, it's $55, which tends to scare away some of us. I want to make sure that I give you all of the details of what you're getting inside, and I'm sharing the entire experience with you. So the documentation that tells you what's in the box is actually really nice cardstock. It's textured. It's a good quality piece of paper. It gives you some documentation about the subscription box. It gives you a write-up on the designer for this month's box. It does give you a coupon code for 20% off some stuff on their website. Gives you how to contact them. And then in here, which I'm not going to open because I want it to be a surprise, is a write-up of all the things that are in this month's box. So let's dig in. We have a spool of Aurifil 50 weight thread that is a silk finish 100% long staple Egyptian quilting cotton. This retails for $3.15. We have a pair of 4 1/8 inch fine tip straight blade thread scissors. These retail for $3. They come in a variety of colors. Here's a close-up of the blade and the cutting action. 2 pieces of chocolate, which is priceless. We have a 4.5 by 8.5 inch Lori Holt Cute Cuts ruler that retails for $11.98. We have a 5 by 8 Lori Holt Cute Cuts cutting mat. One side is pink, one side is blue. It's pretty thick and sturdy, and it retails for $9.98. The last item in the box is the Yes You Can table runner, designed by Lori Holt. It is featuring her Farm Girl vintage fabric collection, and it retails for $40. Okay, the documentation here says that the total retail value of the box is $80.91, but that's actually inaccurate. That's the amount of all of the items in here, plus the $12.80 it took to ship this box. If you add up just the retail value of the items in the box, the total retail value is $68.11. Given that I only paid $55, which included my shipping, you could look at it as a savings of almost $30 or about $13. Either way, still good value for everything inside. Okay guys, that's the February 2019 Precuts Quilt Box Classic. It retails for $55 on the Precuts Quilt Shop website. You can jump on over there. I'll put the link in the description box below if you want to sign up. Overall, I liked the box. I'm happy with the items I got in here. But I did sign up knowing that Lori Holt was going to be the designer for February. I don't know if I would have taken the plunge had I not known that to start with. That price is a little steep. However, they redeem themselves. The items in the box do retail for more than what I paid for it. Precuts Quilt Shop is looking for feedback on their subscription box, so leave a comment for them down below. Let them know what you thought of this box and the price point. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel while you're down there too.